Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to install n8n and how to connect it to your local Ollama model in order to create agents. So as you probably know, n8n it's a way for you to create AI agents without using any code. And it's actually a really handy tool. And you can install it on Windows, Linux or macOS, doesn't matter, as long you are using Docker. And for this episode, first I'm going to show you what I have on my Windows machine. I'm running Ollama model and I'm going to open it so you could see. Model that I'm running, it's Granite 4 32B minus A9B minus H. This is one actually really good model. It has 32 billion parameters, but only 9 billions are active at the moment. So you are going to be able to use it like I do with a graphic card with only 11 gigs of RAM. And now, whether you are using Docker desktop on Windows or you are using Linux to install n8n, it doesn't matter as long it works for you. And I'm using CasaOS because it's the least complicated way to deal with Docker images. So now I'm going to change to my Firefox where I'm running CasaOS on one of machines on my local network. And in here I'm going to go to App Store and I'm going to look for n8 and I'm going to install it. And wait until it's done. Alright, now go to Settings. And in here we are going to make some changes. I want to add first one volume. So we are going to map data up data / to home node export. So in here we are going to save our files. And one more thing, one environmental variable we are going to set. It's in here, yeah. So in order for me to be able to use n8n on one of machines on my local network, I have to add one more key, and that is n8n underscore secure underscore cookie, and we have to set it to false, else everything else it's fine. I'm just going to save it and I'm going to wait until it's restarted. Alright, now I'm going to try to open it. So this is probably happening because it's not fully operational. I'm going to click in here. You don't have to worry, give it some time. And now I'm going to provide my credentials. I don't want to receive any product updates. Next. I'm going to save it. And now, I'm not using n8n for work. And how I heard, let's say Twitter. I don't want to use any license key right now. So we are in. Now I'm going to show you how to connect with your local Ollama model. So I'm going to test a simple agent example. So now we are going to talk a lot about n8n, but first thing that you should know that this is what is called workflow. And basically whatever is happening, it's happening within this workflow. And the central part of workflow, it's our agent. And now in order for agent to do something, we need trigger. In this case, trigger it's our chat. So whenever we send some chat message, our agent is going to be activated. And the necessary element for our agent to work, it's of course model. And press on plus in here and search for Ollama chat model. I already have Ollama account, but I'm going to create one more so you can see. First of all, we don't need API key in here. Port number, it's totally okay, but I need to change IP address 192.168.0.31. So this is IP address of machine where I'm hosting my Ollama, and this is totally fine. I'm going to save it. Credentials are saved. We don't need this anymore. So now I have Ollama account 2. There you can see that I have this model selection drop box, and you see that I have 3 models installed: DeepSeek R114B, 8B, and Granite 4 32B. I'm going to use this Granite 4. Let's see about options. In here you have like bunch of different options, like keep alive, it's interesting one. Then temperature one, frequency penalty, and many more. We are not going to deal with that part right now in this episode. Let's see about settings. Nothing important here for now. Alright, I'm going to get back to Canvas. So this is what is called also Canvas. And now I'm going to add one more thing in here, memory, and I'm going to add this simple memory. Memory is necessary in order context to be saved. I'm going to click on it. Alright, this is going to be fine. This is not important for now. We are going to deal with all of these subjects in upcoming episodes. And now I'm going to test it. So open chat, and in here I'm just going to say hi. And wait until it's done. Okay, so this is what we got. Hi there, how I can assist you today. So guys, that would be all for this episode. This is like a short introduction into n8n. We are going to talk a lot about this subject. So there are many things that this platform can do for you, but that is going to be all for now. So thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!